In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Microsoft Whiteboard. The steps you'll use depend on the type of account you have and where your whiteboards are stored, so I'll walk you through what works for work and school accounts, and what to expect if you're using a personal account. If your organization uses Microsoft 365 and your whiteboard files are stored in OneDrive for Business, duplicating a board is straightforward and officially supported. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with your work or school account. Once you're in, go to My Files, then open the Whiteboards folder. This is where your whiteboard files live. Find the whiteboard you want to copy, then select the three dots next to its name to open the menu. Choose Copy To, pick the destination you want, and select Copy Here. OneDrive will create a new whiteboard file with the same content as the original in the location you chose. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Make sure you're signed in with your work or school account, not a personal account, so you see the correct Whiteboards folder. After the copy is created, you can rename it right in OneDrive to keep your boards organized. To use the duplicate, open it from the Whiteboard board picker or directly from OneDrive. It will behave just like the original, but changes you make to the copy won't affect the source board. This OneDrive method is the recommended way to duplicate entire boards for organizations that store Whiteboard in OneDrive. Now, if you're using a personal Microsoft account, such as an Outlook.com or Live.com account, there's an important limitation to know. At the moment, Microsoft Whiteboard does not provide a built-in way to duplicate an entire board for personal accounts, either in OneDrive or directly within the Whiteboard app. Microsoft has acknowledged this gap, and while the duplicate and template features are much easier in the business OneDrive model, they aren't available for personal accounts yet. To recap, business and school users who have their Whiteboard files in OneDrive for Business can duplicate a board by copying the file in OneDrive. Personal account users don't have a direct duplication option at this time. If you're unsure which setup you have, check where your boards are saved in OneDrive and confirm which account you're signed into. That context will tell you which experience applies to you.